What is Docker Inspect? Docker Inspect is your life vest for new or unfamiliar containers. Sometimes you might just have to troubleshoot something that has no documentation. Docker Inspect will save the day. Let's do some troubleshooting on our container right here. Let's do a Docker Inspect Web1, and it spit out some JSON code right here. This JSON actually gives us a lot of useful information about our container. For instance, it gives us our container IP address, which is right here. It also gives us our container gateway, which lets us know this container is on a 172.17.0 network. Docker Inspect spits out raw JSON, but that raw JSON can be filtered out. Let's use Docker Inspect to filter out our port mapping. We can do that with a Docker Inspect, and then we'll pass through the format flag. And then within our format flag, we'll have single quotes, 2 curly braces, a space between both sides of the curly braces. And then we'll do a JSON.network settings.ports. And then we'll point it to Web1. And as you can see, it gives us the ports we have forwarded. So it gives us the port. It's forwarding this on the host IP of any. Host port is 8080 internally. And it gives us some IPv6 info as well. We can also use Docker Inspect to look at the restart policy on our container, which is basically like setting a service to restart on boot with a regular virtual machine. Let's do a Docker Inspect. We pass through format. You pass through the restart policy tag, and then we point it to the server we want to get a restart policy for. And as you can see, it says no. And so currently no restart policy is configured on that container. We can also use Docker Inspect to look at mounts, right? Same thing as before. We do a quick Docker Inspect. We pass through the Docker Inspect format flag and the field that we're looking for, which in our case is .mounts. And then we enter our app, which is app1. As you can see, it shows that we currently have a bind mount between our Docker admin app data folder and internally the var app data within the Docker container. And that's it for Docker Inspect. If you'd like me to go deeper into details on it, please leave a comment down below and we can do a part 2. The command is actually a mile deep when it comes to what information it can gather. Otherwise, thank you for watching. If you like this content, hit the like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe either here on TikTok or down below at my YouTube channel. And stay blessed, boys. I'll see y'all next video.